Welcome back, everyone. This is Mike the Car Doc. As you see, this is my current situation on my Q50. I had a cylinder 6 misfire, which is that guy back there. I started with diagnosing the issue, so I changed out this guy here, which is the ignition coil. It did not fix the issue, so I went to the next step, cheapest step, which was look towards the spark plugs. So I pulled the spark plug out, and this is what I found. That there was the cause of my cylinder 6 misfire. So guys, if you have an issue with the misfire, start with your ignition coil. You can take one of these and swap it with one of the other ones from the one that's actually misfiring to see if the code reader was if it was switched once you run the code again. See if it switched from cylinder 6 to cylinder 5, 4, 3, whichever one you switch it with. All right, and then if that doesn't work, then you look to the spark plug. Okay, which, you know, it could be the issue, but if it's not the spark plug, then you look towards the fuel injector for that cylinder. All right, so just a quick tip there, and we're gonna get these things swapped out here, and then after that we're gonna see how she runs.